Hey friends, welcome back to the craft room. Is this table looking exceptionally large today? If you follow me on Instagram or even on TikTok, I just posted a video of me not having my machine. It's back in the shop and it was kind of a funny experience, and I promise I'll get to something else. Don't call me too chatty. But something was going on with my machine and I thought, oh my gosh, I need to take it back into the shop. I was kind of embarrassed because I wasn't in there that long ago. And so I find my defense mechanism is when I feel embarrassed, then I just make jokes. So like I'm the first to laugh at myself so no one else can laugh at me. Does that make sense? Probably doesn't. But I go into the shop and I was like, hey, long time no see. And I said, I'm back here with my machine. I hope you can fix it this time. And she was really sweet about it. I mean, she didn't even care. But she was like, okay, let's try to figure out what's going on. So the motor you could hear was running, but none of the mechanisms were moving. So she said it implies like a belt just needs to be replaced in the machine. So easy wear and tear, right? But she was like, let's try to figure out if that's exactly what's going on. She goes, okay, well, how often do you sew? A lot. That was my response. And she goes, okay, like every day, every other day. And I was like, no, every day. And she goes, okay, good for you. And she goes, how many hours a day do you think that you sew? And I just looked at her and I said, a lot. And she was, like I said, she was so good. It was awesome. Like no judgment, but I was like, a lot. And she goes, then it definitely sounds like it's a belt issue. Just like I said, normal wear and tear. But it just made me laugh. But it also felt like, why was I so embarrassed? You know, she said, this is a typical time frame for someone who uses their machine as much as you do. And so that really like gave me like a big sigh of relief, because I was worried that I was like running this machine into the ground. And she says, no, that's like a good time frame for how much you're sewing every day. And so I just thought that was funny. But hopefully my machine will be back soon. Hopefully it won't be that big of a problem. But it just, I don't know. You guys are probably like, Kate, you're weird. Which is true. But I had to share that with you. But I think a good thing is I just got new fabric in. So this will be nice that we can go through this together, because I can't make anything with you today. So I'm excited for this color. We're starting off with this one. These are all Riley Blake's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 new bolts. Very excited. This is a branch out for me. It's called Brown Sugar. So it's kind of, honestly, it is the color of brown sugar. Like that was like so perfectly named. It's really cute. This is more of a basic. I tried not to pick overly flowery patterns, and so I think I did pretty good this time. I do have one excessively flower one, but I mean, would it even be my fabric order if it wasn't like crazy flowery? So this one is really pretty. I like this pattern. This is one of Riley Blake's basics collections. So they have this pattern in a lot of colors. This is Prairie, and this is by Lori Holt. So now seeing this pattern in real life, I think this is definitely going to be one worth getting in lots of different colors. I think it is so beautiful. The camera is actually picking this color up really well. That is like true color. I really like this one a lot. That's going to be a great collection. Ooh, that's cute. Okay, like I said, this is a branch out for me. Like, I don't do a lot of browns, but I think having that bolt of brown is really warming me up to different neutrals. And I think this is going to be a beautiful addition to that neutral pile. This one is so cute. I love gingham. I feel like I'm kind of an old soul, truthfully. So I love gingham. I don't think it's buffalo check. This blue is so stinking pretty. It is a true blue. It is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna bring this up close to you. How cute is this gingham? So we've got obviously your dark blue and your lighter blue in there, and that is like a baby blue in between in the gingham. Such a happy, bright, summery blue. Honestly, lots of these bolts all go together. So we could probably make a bundle just out of all of these bolts here. I'm really excited for that one. This is called, it's from the line Floral Charms. It's by Kelsey Carlson. I don't think I have anything by her, so this will be a first for me. That is the designer of this line. Very beautiful blue. I'm excited for that one. Okay, I was on a mission to find a true pink color. Not like corally pink or peachy pink. Pink. And I did it. This is the cutest baby pink. It is, when you think of pink, this is it. So I'm very excited. I do love all of my corally and peachy pinks because I like that hue anyways, but I'm really excited to have a true pink finally in the shop. I think the closest I've had is the gingham lipstick. That is a true pink, but it's a pretty bright pink gingham. You know what I mean? So I'm really excited for this one. Again, kind of a neutral pattern. We've just got polka dots. I love polka dots. And this is the perfect pink. Very cute. Very cute. This is another basics, one of their basics lines. This is Swiss. This is Swiss dots. I like combine the two. And this is just Riley Blake design. So this is one of their basics again. So that means like the brown, they'll have it in so many different colors, which I think is great. So if you know that you like it, then you can just keep getting colors for it. You guys have cleaned me out pretty good of yellows. So I'm glad I'm not the only one that loves yellows. But that shelf over there is looking really sparse. I'm glad we're getting some more yellows in here. This one is really cute. This is Dainty Daisy by Flamingo Toes. I have someone else or some other ones. The Green Spoons is Flamingo Toes. That's like the name of their company. That's the designer. The Green Spoons. And it might be the gingham lipstick again, actually. So this is a really pretty yellow. Definitely more of like a mustard yellow. That's really what it reminds me of. A golden mustard yellow. Okay. It's got these cute little dots in here. And those are a really deep yellow color. They're so pretty. And then they just got these cute little white daisies. I think this one is going to be a hit for sure. It is really pretty. I'm excited to use this one. Lots of happy bright colors in this order, huh? I am seriously hoping for warm weather. Let's do this next yellow and then we'll go to that green because that is a beautiful green. All right. This has like a basket weave. And I think it's a really pretty pattern as well. Good subtle pattern, but it's not like it's just a solid. I keep thinking I should really order some solids. Solids are pretty, but I just cannot get away from cute pattern. So maybe one of these days we'll order solids. So you can see this basket weave in here. Isn't that really pretty? I really like it. This is a nice pale yellow. It's very similar to the Flora pale yellow. I'm going to grab it. So if you have some of this Flora yellow from my quilt shop right now, it is like so close. The Flora is just a little bit darker. Such a beautiful light yellow. It's gorgeous. I'm really excited. This one is from the Melody line. Oh, again, another flamingo toes. Man, I have a type. Okay, I think flamingo toes is really cute, but it kind of makes you wonder at what point in like that creative meeting they were like, what should we call our business? I don't know. Do flamingos have toes? Let's just do that. You kind of want to know how like that story or that name came along. But that is another one by the Flamingo Toes design. Another beautiful color. We're going to swap so that you can keep seeing these colors. They're a little washed out there in the sunshine, huh? All right, this green. This is green. I think I have had a hard time finding more true greens. Whether it's, you know, it looks different on the screen than when you get it here, you know, sometimes that happens. But this is a true, like, leaf green. It's darker than the green daisies that I just got. But it is a beautiful true green. So cute. Got some fuzzies on there. So pretty. Such a pretty green. Let's see. I'm going to keep walking and pulling stuff. I will admit to you, there was a couple of times I was like, oh, pull a different color and like compare it to this one. I thought, no one wants to watch you walk back and forth the whole dang time. But I wore myself down and I'm doing it anyways. Oh. All right, so here is the comparison between our green daisies, which is again another true green, but you can kind of see just the comparison here. This is a more muted green where this is a bright, vibrant green. Grass, leaf green. So cute. This is from the line B Dots, also by Laura Holt. Again, another basics line, which pretty much means that they will always have these lines where some of these lines will be discontinued and I won't be able to get the fabric again. But these basics lines, they keep around so that we can continue to pull from them, which again, I'm really grateful for because this is another really cute pattern, but it's not over the top and it is a great complementing pattern. All right, this cutie on the website, it definitely looked a lot more vibrant. It is still a very beautiful fabric, but I thought it was going to be more in your face, just like I like. The blue flowers are more of kind of like a periwinkle, not a true blue. Because I did get this gingham here because I thought that this was like a true blue in here. And these yellows are leaning a little bit more gold. This is a gorgeous fabric though. I mean, it is really pretty. Look at that. But I thought these were going to be more yellow, and they're definitely more of a gold color, kind of leaning more towards this brown sugar down here. Does that make sense? So we're definitely getting into the browns on those yellows. And again, these blues are a little bit more periwinkle. I think they will look beautiful still with this gingham. And then of course that pink is going to be perfect for it. So let's build a little bundle here. We'll put those together. That way we can look at it a little bit. Man, this green just got the fuzzies from the machine. Okay, muscles, engage. Oh my goodness. All right, let's get some sunshine on those. Use your core. I've had kids, I don't have a core. Isn't that pretty? So even though, like I said, the blue is a little bit different, I still think that they go really well together. And it's not an exact match, but it is gorgeous nonetheless. I'm really excited for that. Let's see what this brown sugar looks like in there. Oh, that's cute too. Dang. What? I said that from the very beginning. I think everything I ordered would be a really cute bundle, so I stand by what I said. How pretty is that? Very happy. All right, core. Very cute. So here are all of our new fabrics. I will have all of this listed today. So if you're seeing it here, it's already up. Let's do this one at a time though. I don't have that kind of muscle. I'll show you this flowery one again though. I wonder what my reds will look like with this floral. Because it is red, but it almost has like more of a pink hue in the red instead of like a true red. Let me go grab a red. Well, I only have 2 reds, so I'll just bring them both over and we'll see. So this is the one that I was thinking of, is the gilded gems in there. Oh, that's really cute. Gilded gems, and then this blue gingham. How sweet is that? That's pretty cute. Very summery. Very summery. Now, I don't think you can have too many ginghams in one quilt, so let's add this red gingham in there. I should have warmed up before this video. What was I thinking? We're lifting weights today, clearly. Cute. Yeah, see, those go well together. Again, not an identical match. It's not really a true red in there. And like I said, it has a little bit more pink in it, but it is beautiful nonetheless. I am very excited to use these. Oh. Don't huff and puff. Don't let them know that you're tired. I'm fine. It's fine. I just didn't want to work out today. So here are all of these gorgeous new fabrics. I cannot wait to see which ones you pick and which ones you like the most. So be sure to comment below and tell me which one you're most excited for. And we will see you next time. Hopefully I'll have my machine back by then, because we've got to do our blockhead on Thursday, huh? So fingers crossed, but at the same time, I don't want them to rush that process, because I'm sure, even though I try to keep my machine clean, I'm sure it's full of lint and stuff, so let's just accept it. I'm sure it's filthy in there. So for realsies this time, we will see you on Thursday for a mystery video. We will all be surprised on what comes from that. Bye, friends.